Maytag Freezer Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Maytag freezers, Maytag refrigerator freezers, Maytag chest freezers, Maytag upright freezers, and all other models of Maytag refrigerators and freezers. Is your freezer not cooling? Your freezer not working? The freezer runs all the time, or the freezer's leaking water? Possibly the freezer has defrost drain problems, or the freezer coils are frosting up. Maybe your freezer indicator light is out. We can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.